How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add text in Anycubic slicer. Now, I'm going to add this rectangle shape, and basically if you want to add text onto your models, you can just click on it. And from here, we want to add the embossed function. You can also press T on your keyboard as a shortcut, but it's going to be this exact button right here. Now, you can then type whatever you want to. So let's type something like guide to everything. And then of course you can adjust the text however you want to. But what if you want to add text on complicated surfaces like this cylinder shape right here? Well, you want to do it normally, which is to just click on the model itself, click on emboss, and then this time we want to use an added or advanced feature called the used surface. So once again, you want to proceed to type your text, and right after, you then want to head over to advanced and make sure that the used surface is enabled, so it will go ahead and wrap around our model right here. Now you can also adjust the depth the way you want to. So if you want to emboss it even further, you can make sure that you adjust the depth or height right here. So from there, that's how you add text on Anycubic slicer. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.